my first trip to that thrift store, it said it was open, and it was not. So, my dog has decided while I was gone to completely destroy the blinds. So let's see how he reacts when I go inside. Dexter, did you do this? Oh my God. He really is a good dog. Yeah, totally a good dog. Dexter, did you tear up mommy's blinds? What is this? Dexter, come here. Come here. Why'd you do this? Why'd you tear up mommy's blinds? I'll have to buy more curtains. Look what you did. Do you feel ashamed? It's okay. We still love you. Next trick, I'm still gonna clean out my car because I feel like I've neglected my cars since I've been moving, going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And now it's just covered in dirt and tree sap and leaves, and the inside is just like a complete wreck. There's like a folding table for a party in there. There's like some boxes. So yeah, I really need to take care of my car, but now I get to go figure out a curtain/blind situation. You did this. It's okay. I love you. But you did this. Guilty as charged. I've clearly neglected my poor car. Awesome. Ice cream scoop. Yeah, my trunk doesn't stay open, but it has this perfect slot for a 2x4. Yeah, this is the vent in a straw wrapper, but this is the vent to my car. It fell off. This cameras, cords, not that or this leaf. Oop, need that and none of this. Receipts. Drinking that, throwing this away. Going this way. Need to vacuum the floors. Just need a vacuum. Ta-da! So much dirt and leaves. Oh, look, air freshener. Come here. Give it. Oh, there you are. Yeah, this Prius. Oh, that's where I broke the thing off. See, this is... Either way, it's fine. Yeah, 2006 Toyota Prius. 210,000 miles on it. Lit up like a Christmas tree, but and he's just watching me breaking more of my blinds. Ridiculous. I feel like I somewhat got my life in order with my car being cleaned out now. I'm going to wait on Tyler to get home, and I don't know, that's pretty much it for the day. I made our new roommate a key, so that's cool. Other than that, yeah, this is what we're doing.